Okay, so when we were taking the baseboard trim off, what happened is this wasn't a supported section drywall, so we got a little hole in the wall. So today we're going to go through and show you how to repair a small hole in drywall. Obviously this is a big enough hole that we can't just fill it in with a little putty, we have to patch it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a scraper, you're going to scrape it. You want it to be smooth, don't worry about this so much. Just okay, go along the edge. Scrape it down. You just want a smooth, clean surface to adhere to. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to Lowe's or Home Depot. This is just a 4x4 patch. Open up and show you. It's a peel and stick, so it's really quite easy to use. What you're going to do is you're going to peel this off the back, get the staple out of it. So it's a peel and stick patch. You'll peel the back off, and then you're going to stick it over the area that's damaged like this. As you can see, there you go. So that covers the area that's damaged. And then you're going to go get some mud. This is spackling, this will work. So have a little container, okay. Grab it and you're going to put it over the patch area. So you want to kind of try to push it through the mesh as much as you can so it fills the back area behind it where the hole is. And you can use this pretty liberally, get a lot in there. Just gotta keep going over it. Push as much through as you can. You want to give yourself plenty of room on the outside of the mesh. We're going to work our way all the way into the corner there. Back up. You're going to come back over after it's all dry and sanded, so you don't have to worry about being exactly perfect now. You want to get a lot of these big lines out if you can. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect. You can always come back over with another coat later. So that's what it's going to look like when you're pretty close. And we might do a second coat just because you could see the mesh through it still. Looks like it needs a little more to build up this area. But that's basically the step one. So we've waited about 24 hours for it to dry. So once it dries, for this stuff, it turns white. So we can see that it still has a little bit of a dip here, and we can still see a little bit of the texture of the patch. So we're going to do another layer here, let it dry again, and then we'll move on to the next step. The next step is we're going to scrape off any of this excess. We want just to be more smooth with the wall. So we're just going to go over it. Just going to kind of scrape it down. So it's smoother. So basically what you're doing is you're just smoothing out any ridges, any excess that's built up here. And you can do this with sandpaper too. Basically, you're just gonna get it till it's smooth, and then you're gonna move on to the next step, which is gonna be to retexture this. So the last step in patching a hole repair is to retexture. If you have textured walls like this is just texture spray you can get at any hardware store. So as adjustments, fine or heavy or medium, depending on what your wall texture is. So you're gonna shake it well. This stuff will dry white, like over here. It won't be blue once it's dry. You're gonna be a fair bit back. It might take a few coats to get the whole texture, but you're just gonna kind of spray through the area. And then we're gonna come back probably later, take a look, see if it needs one more coat, and then after that, you can go ahead and paint. So now that this is all retextured and ready to go, we're gonna paint it the wall color. Okay, there you have it. Now the wall is ready to have trim put back on after we finish the floor.